If your garage door opener chain or belt is loose, it's like your door is just begging for trouble and not working right. Okay, so here's the deal. First thing, check if the chain or belt is sagging way too much. If it looks loose, you can usually tighten it up by turning the adjustment bolt on the opener's side. Just a few turns can make a big difference. Don't crank it too tight though, or you'll risk breaking it. Next, listen for weird noises like grinding or squeaking, because that usually means it's worn out and probably time to replace it. If you've got a chain drive, make sure it's lubricated with some garage door lubricant, not WD-40, because that can actually cause problems. For belt drives, keep an eye out for cracks or fraying. If you see those, swapping it out is the safest move. Also, check the mounting brackets and bolts holding everything in place, because loose parts can make the whole system shaky. If you're unsure about fixing it yourself, don't hesitate to call a pro who knows their stuff. Keeping your garage door opener chain or belt in good shape means smoother, quieter door action and less chance of it getting stuck when you need it most. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage door opener chains or belts is ignoring the loose feeling until it's a real problem. This leads to premature wear and costly repairs. Fix that by checking the tension regularly and tightening it before things get bad. Another common issue is using the wrong lubricant or not lubricating at all, which causes noisy operation and faster wear. Just grab a silicone-based garage door lubricant and apply it every few months. Third, lots of folks skip inspecting the belt or chain for damage, like rust, cracks, or fraying. Catching those early means you can replace parts before they snap and cause a door mishap. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who can handle garage door repairs and other big home fixes without the headache of endless searching. For contractors, it's a great way to get noticed and find reliable work from people who really need their skills.